Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ridho Muhammad Septiano and it is my presentation of my proposal. Enjoy to listening. Background of the study. Game which is played to an audiovisual apparatus and can be created based on a story is known as video game. Eposito 2005. Game already known as the usual activity among people. Game users were an estimated 2.7 billion across the world in 2020. Christina Goes 2020. It means almost people all over the world must connected to the internet based on learning vocabulary by Iranian EFL learners. Finding that online games due to creating an interactive and motivating context where learners can easily and subconsciously share their information and also do the requirement and obligation encountered by them during playing are effective in vocabulary mastery. It is thought that game has intervention to the education field substantially. Game have compact essential if is connected into the education field. Vocabulary mastery become more serious problem in EFL mastering. The more vocabulary student got, the more frequency virtual reality or online game is actively being incorporated as a teaching and learning tool to enhance a student learning experience due the implication of this development in the learning process. Radianti Metzrak from Envolgement 2019. During students playing virtual game, they might derive for the social assessment that can be objective to their scope whether it's real or virtual. Nevertheless, students generally get aversion to prescribe their target to mastering vocabulary and leave over into the plot. Through virtual game where purpose students will have familiarity with vocabulary master quantity target. Yudi Prastyo, Puspa Esonia, and Ferry Fatima, 2017, 145, describe that college students who belong in the second cluster consume more than 5 hours a day due to playing games. In the sense that video games supposed to helping students in vocabulary mastery and ascertain become more effective rather than only inject traditional method. Identification of the problem. Based on the background before, the writer identified the problem as follows. Student facing problem is mastering vocabulary because the teacher using the monotone technique in learning vocabulary to intermediate learner. Student feel difficult in producing vocabulary because it has many different structure in the language. A number of intermediate learners have levels below 5,000 words. Formulation of the problem. Research question. The main research question of the study is how the effect of online games on vocabulary learning among EFL intermediate learners. Is there any significant effect of intense word game on students' vocabulary for intermediate learners? Objective. The objective of the research is to know whether there is significant influence of using online games towards students' vocabulary mastery at the first semester of 8th grade of SMA Negeri 1 Talang Padang Tanggamus in the academic year of 2019-2020. Scope of the research. Scope of the research. 1. The scope of the research are as follows. Subject of the research. The subject of the research was the student at first semester at the first semester of 8th grade of SMA Negeri 1 Talang Padang Tanggamus. Objective of research. The object of the research were the use of online games and the students' vocabulary mastery. Place of the research. The research was conducted at SMA Negeri 1 Talang Padang Tanggamus Lampung. Time of research. This research was conducted at the first semester of in the academic year of 2019-2020. Method. The content analysis method was accustomed to analyze the knowledge obtained with the study. A quantitative data makes measuring various parameters controllable thanks to be good. Think about mathematical definition, they are available with quantitative data is often collected for such statistical analysis using survey, poll or questionnaires sent across to a specific section of a population. The knowledge obtained for the interviews were transferred to the Google Form as they were and made suitable for analysis. Okay, that's all my presentation of my proposal. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.